I got a good one. I got a good one. Oh my gosh, yeah, I got a good one. Come on, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Well, welcome back to Yak Adventures. It has been a long time coming, getting back here on my home water. Check it out. Smoke on the water. No wet spots on the boat ramp. That means we're the first boat in the water. The beard's coming back. You can tell when I've been diving because I shave off my mustache so my mask don't leak. Today we're going to do some good old-fashioned largemouth bass fishing. My buddy was out here yesterday, broke off on a big one. He didn't tell me what he caught it on or where he was fishing, but yeah, I didn't ask. But anyhow, got a few hours this morning before I got to go have some commitments. But anyway, we're going to be fishing today in the old Hobie. Anyhow, the SD card's full on the fancy GoPro, which blows up my phone anyway when I try to make a video. So we're gonna go with the old iPhone today for the most part. Anyhow, what a beautiful day. And I'm 5 minutes from my house. 5 minutes. Anyhow, let's get on it. All right. I just deleted a bunch of clips on the GoPro, so when we start catching fish, we'll turn the GoPro on. But for now, we're gonna use the old iPhone and pull up my power director out when I try to make a video. We're going right straight to this little point over here. You'll notice that the water has pulled quite a ways off of the bank of the reservoir, and she's starting to draw down for the summer. We're in August, and if I can catch a big fish on this reservoir, probably the best month for me is in August, and then, believe it or not, don't tell anybody else, but January, December. Yeah, January, December, when everybody's fishing steelhead. I'll be out here kayak flipping some 5-pounders again. Anyhow, woohoo! Oh man, the fact that I can breathe, well, I still got cough, but what a beautiful morning. All right, we're pulling up to our first sweet spot. Let's let the games begin. Like I said, we're pulling up to our first sweet spot. Let the games begin. Whole lot of sexy going on there with that jig. That is gonna get bit, boys and girls. Here we come, sliding in. There ain't nothing better than the jig bite. Come on, girl. Come on, baby. Oh, there's a cast and a half. I think I already need the sunglasses on. Room. Mr. Bullfrog. Doing the old stroking the jig technique. Trying to draw that reaction bite. Yeah, all that good stuff. Look at that beautiful cast. We're not in the ocean, that's where we want to be at, but this will work for today. Don't make me go to the hog willa. Oh, she's a bright one. She's a bright one. Could you imagine if you were on a Lake Fork right now and the sun was coming up? Lake Fork, Texas, where every cast could be a 9-pounder, 10-pounder. Or what about some of those lakes in Mexico, man? Oh, that would be awesome, huh? But hey, I didn't have to hop on any plane to get here this morning. 5 minutes and I'm fishing, and I'm happy, and I can breathe. Okay, come on, girl, come on. Give me some love. There we go, right off the shallows, or right off the weed line. Oh yeah, she just took it right as soon as it hit. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, we got the first one to start the day. Oh, and I lost it. When I grabbed it by the lip, it came off. Well, shoot. Don't you just love the smoke coming off the water? I mean, you know you're the first boat or person off the bank that just cast into the cove, the point, whatever. We caught just a normal little bass. Went to grab him by the lower lip and slipped off, and he fell back in the water, so I didn't even get a good picture of him. But we caught him on the old Luke Clausen pitching jig. Full of salad right now. Oh, we got a bite. Oh, dude. Oh, that was a good one. Oh, almost thought I forgot how to catch a bass. We're gonna fish this point right here. Got some rock chunks sticking out. We're crawling a Zoom Z crawl with a football swinging head. Yeah. Yeah, now we're talking. Nice healthy bass. Oh yeah, they're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. A little pounder. Smells like a bass. Oh. Got bit. Oh, dang it. I got a good one. I got a good one. Oh my gosh, yeah, I got a good one. Come on, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. Yeah! I knocked my hat off too. Oh, look at that. There's a 2-pounder maybe. Swam off with it. Dude, I love this swinging head. Popped you right out there. There you go. We'll take it. Got a good one. Got a good one. Oh yeah. Yeah. Good one for here anyway. Alright. We're gonna call that a trip for the morning here. It's about 11:30. Sun came out. All the jet boaters, water skis are on the lake now. Anyhow, it's pretty good fishing. I was using the old swinging football head and creature bait and just kind of dragging along the bottom. Caught most of my fish that way. Tried the drop shot there at the end. It didn't do any good. Tried the Carolina rig for a little bit and broke off. Just kind of had a relaxing morning fishing. Now all the crazies are out, so we're headed home. How's your leg there, bud?